What's happening, guys? It's the Stock Guru, the coolest stock trader on YouTube, and today I'm going to be doing a little bit of a market recap, just going over what happened in the stock market today and basically the state of the markets. Okay, so we can start off here at the S&P. So let me change the time frame real quick, and we'll go to the SPY. All right, so if we check out the SPY, you can see we made new highs actually on today, so we're still very bullish. We did pull back a bit here, but we're still respecting a lot of levels of support. If I go into a smaller time frame here, you can see just what I mean by that. I'll give it a second to load here. What's going on with Thinkorswim? Here we go. As you can see, we're still respecting levels of support right here at 331. We broke through 332 this morning. And that's when we made the new highs, and basically we're just pulling back now. So basically still very bullish. If we go ahead and check out Apple, you're going to see something pretty similar. Oh, I forgot. Apple had this weird down candle, so you're not actually going to be able to see it that great unless I zoom in from here. So basically, yeah, just climbing up and making new highs. Just like a lot of the stocks in the market today, AMD, I think, also made new highs. Let's check it out. Yeah, I think it did. Yeah, making again more new highs today, but we're definitely finding some resistance here at that. If we can get it to load at this level here, really this level at 5150, basically we're finding some resistance here, but nothing to be worried about. The market seems to still be chugging through all of that. If we check out it on a wider scale, you're going to see it's still way up, just like the SPY and Apple. Way up. We're definitely really extended here. If we go to, let's see, Facebook here was one I wanted to check it out. Again, new highs on the day, but just consolidating around this level. You can see with the market, we're kind of just consolidating a little bit at this new high. Oops. It's not necessarily ripping anymore, is what I'm trying to get at. We are still bullish. What is going on with my Thinkorswim? But you can see we're just consolidating a little bit at this range. We could definitely keep on going here, but we're slowing down a little bit. You can see. Let's check out Tesla. And Tesla is going off. It almost broke 600 today. Not yet, but I mean Tesla really is a great example of what the market's doing. It's just running up, all right? And nobody really knows when it's stopping. And I'm not going to even go as far as saying that we're slowing down or stopping yet. We're just having a little bit of a consolidation, and we're definitely still chugging along. Now, some other stocks to switch it up today are going down. So if you check out Boeing, they've had some bad news come out about them, and look at that. Lowest lows, all right? Making new lows today. It broke through this level of 320. It was a support 3 times here, 1, 2, and a third time, and it finally broke below it yesterday, and it kept going today. No bounce or anything. I don't think it looks very good for Boeing, but they had the whole problem with their jets, so that is kind of a problem here. But if you check out something else like BABA, it's also it's not down so much. Or let's actually not go to BABA yet. Let's actually go to CGC. Okay, that's something that was down, and it's actually starting to come up now. Okay, so this is very interesting. I think it could continue going up, but what you're going to see is some pullbacks down. The big money may or may not be in yet, and you really don't know. It basically was just bleeding out, and at some point, marijuana is going to be a good stock to have, and this is basically the one you want to be looking at. It's owned by a big alcohol distributor or something. I can't remember exactly what it is, but I know it is owned by a big alcohol company. So I watch CGC when it comes to the marijuana stocks, and you can see it's starting to curl back up here. Now it could easily come back down and get out everybody's stop losses, or it could easily just run up. So this is definitely something to watch here. But BABA was at the lows and making new lows. Or I'm sorry, Boeing was at lows and making new lows. But CGC here is turning around with the very bullish market. Another one you can see that with is McDonald's. Let's check that out. McDonald's was low in this bullish market, bringing the stocks up. This is very good to see, McDonald's had a huge drop here in October, in November, and now it's starting to come back into the start of the 2020. What else do we have here? Yeah, well, I guess we can just go to BABA now, right? Or BAC is another one I had. Sorry if you guys hear something in the background. I have some people in the house, Can't get everybody to be quiet, but Bank of America looks very interesting. I'm glad we went to this first before Alibaba, because you can see it's been very bullish with the market, but now it's starting to slow down a bit. It could easily just be testing some levels and come back up and break new highs. It's kind of just odd that it isn't looking more like Apple, AMD, and SPY though, staying more around this upper range. It's actually starting to come down a bit, and you see the same thing on Baba. And these are all S&P stocks, so they all kind of influence each other in a bit. So yeah, you can see on Baba, definitely not really looking the same as Apple or AMD or the SPY. It's kind of starting to come down a little bit, right? And you're not really seeing that in the rest of the market. So it's just something to look out for in all these stocks. You want to have a good idea of what's going on with everything in the market. So I hope this video helped you guys. If you liked it, you can check out my other videos. I've got a ton like them, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.